to fix live option missing on TikTok. So if you want to fix your live option missing on your TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. From your profile, you can go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. After that, go with settings and privacy. After that, scroll all the way down and then tap on report a problem. After tapping on report a problem, it will take you to a bunch of questions. So you need to select a question or a topic related to your live problem. So I'll select live and then go with hosting live, and here it will give you some solutions. If you don't find it useful, then you can just simply tap on is your problem resolved. You can tap on no, tap on need more help, and it will take you to the TikTok support. Or you can also go with the top right, which has submit a ticket section. Tap on your support tickets, or just simply go with the live TikTok support. Write that, dear TikTok, my live option is missing on TikTok applications. I can't go live. Please help me to go live. After that, send it and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.